Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and I'll be showing you how to create your own dropshipping store with AI in minutes. So guys, you want to launch a dropshipping store without any tech skills or inventory. Here's how to create a full dropshipping store using AI in minutes. So, your first step is choosing an AI store builder. So, you can use an AI powered platform like Shopify, System.io, Commerce, and Durable AI. These tools automatically create your store, layout, copy, and pages. So, they can all do this. And for this tutorial, I have selected Shopify as the platform of interest. So, just simply log on to shopify.com/, your country code, and then simply click on Start for Free. I already have an account on here, so I'm just going to be logging in. And once you've logged into Shopify, let's go ahead and open this in a new tab. Once you have logged into Shopify, you'll be dropped at the dashboard section. And welcome to the Shopify dashboard. All right, so what's your first step? Your first step is, or what's your second step, is generating your store with AI. So basically, with Shopify, once you've entered your store name, all you need to do is just click on the Sidekick logo here by the side, and it's going to open up a new conversation. So we have a new conversation. You can open up old conversations. You can even expand this in a um, into full screen, and then you can click here to start a new conversation and click here to close. All right, so basically you can ask anything. You can even upload files. If you click on the plus, you can upload files from your device. You can access files. You can target something. You can mention, or you could deploy skills, I believe, and then generate app, which is unavailable with my plan, but you can generate a mobile app. All right, so basically you can now ask any questions. So what you're going to be doing is enter your business idea on niche, and then let the AI generate a store design, product pages, a homepage copy, and then simply pick a layout and publish. So I'm going to be drafting a response or a suitable AI prompt that you can use to accomplish this task, which is all right, so I generated a prompt that says, or I created a prompt that says, I want a store built around furniture. So generate the following: a store design. Let's go ahead and correct this. A store design, product pages, and a homepage copy. A homepage copy, and then curate the design to be simple and eye catching for my dropshipping store. Full stop. And then simply click on enter. So this is going to test the capability of Shopify's Sidekick. So it says here, I'd love to help you build out your furniture dropshipping store. So let's create a cohesive design and content package. I'll generate a clean modern homepage, hero image for your furniture store, a product page design showcasing furniture pieces, and then a homepage copy that's compelling and conversion focused. So perfect. I've generated a complete design package for your furniture dropshipping store. The images are loading and will be ready shortly. Your store visuals, so the high quality images, this is it. And then the product page examples are as follows. And then if you scroll down a bit, we have a homepage copy. So the hero section, transform your space into, and this this actually looks amazing. Looks amazing. So you can actually download these images and have them as products on Shopify. So you can click on the Shopify products page here and then simply upload these images with their prices. You can upload this as a sale for an entire furniture showcase. You can save it and you can also upload it. All right. So moving on from here, like I said, you need to add dropshipping products. So you can connect with a supplier like AutoDS, CJ Dropshipping, and Zendrop. So these are platforms. Let's go ahead and open a new tab. These are platforms you can simply search, like Zendrop. You can simply find them on Google and simply sign up to Zendrop. It's the number one margin dropshipping platform. So it's an all-in-one dropshipping platform that helps you launch and scale faster with auto fulfillment, with 1 million plus products, fast shipping. So if you click here, you can simply connect your Zendrop to your Shopify, um, and then the AI would All right, guys. So once you're back on Shopify, after you have created an account on Zendrop, it's the fastest way to start a profitable dropshipping business. The all-in-one dropshipping platform, get a free AI built store, discover winning products, and find the lowest cost. So it majorly works the same way that Shopify does. Only difference is it has its own AI and stuff, and then you can simply partner with them. How do you partner with them? Or connect your Shopify store to Zendrop. It's a simple process actually, where we have the apps underneath the app section of your Shopify store. Click on the apps here, and you have a search. Now on this search, just simply type in Zendrop. Once you have typed in Zendrop, the platform is going to showcase. And then if you click on this tab here, you can open it in a new tab. So it's free to install with free trials available. And we have the developer here, and we also have a build a dropshipping business with extensive products. So you can read a bit about it and the features. And then pricing. So we have the pricing, access to a million plus products, 1 to 20 linked products for a beginner class with Zendrop Academy, Zendrop AI, and custom branding. It's a 3-day free trial, as well as the Pro and the Plus. You get free trials on them. And then you can go ahead and click on install, and it would appear underneath like Printify did. All right, so moving on from this, also try to optimize your product pages using AI. So you can use AI tools to rewrite your product titles, to generate frequently asked questions and benefit-driven descriptions. So you can do all of this by simply writing a simple prompt asking AI to rewrite product titles, generate frequently asked questions, and add benefit driven descriptions. And then also try to set up payments and shipping. So if you were to head over to the settings menu of your Shopify store, just simply click on settings here. It's going to open up. Now, once the settings menu opens up, just simply head over to Shopify payments. Just head over to the payment section of Shopify, click on payments here, and once you're here, just simply enable payments for your Shopify store by choosing a provider and adding supported payment methods. And then payment capture method. We have automatic at checkout, automatic when the order is fulfilled, and manual. And then we have payment method customizations and gift card expirations. All right. And then last but not least, launch and promote with AI. So you can actually use AI to generate your TikToks, your Reels, your create ads, and write email campaigns. So your email campaigns can be written with AI by using the sidekick on Shopify, or you could generate the TikTok and Reels with a simple Google search would help with that. We have AIs that are good enough to generate videos for you. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.